Hello, this is Baynard here with the review on sequence of transformations. So as a reminder, a sequence of transformation is anytime more than one rigid transformation has been applied. So anytime we're using any combination of translations, rotations, and reflections. And just as a reminder, since we're going to be describing these different transformations, here's the information needed. So we say that a translation has occurred. We need to specify distance and direction. Now, for this particular problem, we don't have any grids here to measure how many units a translation needs to actually move. So we're just going to specify direction. So direction mean up, down, left, right. And if a rotation occurs, we need to specify the center of rotation. Should be of center of rotation, degree of rotation, and direction. And direction being clockwise or counterclockwise. And if a reflection occurs, we need to make sure we specify the line of reflection. So I have here, this is our original polygon P, triangle ABC. And we're trying to apply various transformations and get it to polygon Q. So now just kind of looking at the shape. So the first thing you would have to do is trace this on your tracing paper. So that's kind of why I have this cut out here. And it looks like a reflection has occurred because just looking at it, I would guess that the corresponding point to A would be E. So let's go ahead and we're going to reflect. And again, if we're reflecting, we need to specify what we're reflecting over. So we're going to reflect over line BC. So that's going to be this line here. I'm just going to go ahead and actually reflect the triangle. So because I don't have actual tracing paper, we're going to go ahead and line up line B and C. So remember that when you're actually reflecting, make sure that a good tip is to trace the line of reflection in your tracing paper and then line that up with the actual line of reflection in your document. That way you make sure that your new image isn't rotated at all. So okay, so now we can see that polygon P does look like the same shape as Q now. So now it just looks like we need to translate it to the right a bit so we can get that lined up. So that's our second step, is we're going to translate right. And again, we don't have any grid units to specify how far we went right. And then we're just a little bit high, so we just need to translate down. And there we go. Go ahead and add that to our third step. Translate down. And that's how we went from polygon P, so I'm just going to move this out of the way, to polygon Q. As you can see, it just fits right over top of that.